Now, shifting focus, tragedy struck Chennai's Pallavaram after 3 residents died and 20 others fell ill yesterday due to alleged contaminated drinking water. The sick were rushed to Krompet Government Hospital, where some were treated and discharged, while others are undergoing treatment. Residents of Pallavaram claimed that drinking water in their area became contaminated after sewage mixed with it during the recent rains in the city. The doctors say that the cause of death will be determined following post-mortem examinations. Tamil Nadu Health Minister M.A. Subramaniam, who visited the hospital and consoled the patients, stated that water samples have been sent to the King Institute of Preventive Medicine and Research in Guindy for detailed analysis. However, State MSME Minister T.M. Anbarasan suggested that food poisoning might be responsible for the illnesses, dismissing water contamination as the cause. Meanwhile, Tambaram City Municipal Corporation has collected water samples from the particular area for further testing as investigations continue.
இப்போ நாங்கள் ஆய்வு பண்ணதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னு சொன்னால் அது குடிநீரில் கலந்த மாதிரி தெரியல, ஃபுட்டில் தான் அது கலந்த மாதிரி தெரியுது. இது வந்து அதிகாரிகள் இப்போ வந்துட்டாங்க, ஆய்வு பண்ணிட்டுருக்காங்க. இப்போ தகுந்த இனி இது போன்ற யாருக்கும் எந்த வித பாதிப்பு வரக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லி உரிய நடவடிக்கையை நம்ம அரசு மாதிரி குடிச்சிருந்தாங்கன்னா ஒரு 300-400 பேர் பாய்ச்சிருப்பாங்க. எல்லாரும் தண்ணி இல்லாமல் இருக்க முடியுமா? தண்ணி குடிக்காமல் இருக்க முடியுமா?
Well, unfortunately, yes, 3 lives have been lost in this water contamination issue, and in fact 34 people of that Pallavaram cantonment area, ward number 13, had admitted themselves to the hospital in Krompet Government Hospital, and they had been receiving treatment, and the official bulletin from the health department says that 14 people were given treatment for their symptoms and they were discharged, whereas 19 people are still getting treatment for the symptoms that they are facing, which include vomiting, diarrhea, etc. And initially the hospital said that they were not able to identify the cause of this particular food poisoning, but it looks like food poisoning. And later, after the post-mortem was completed for the first 2 people who lost their lives, and the post-mortem results were out, and after that only it was confirmed that this is from a contaminated water intake because of what has happened in Pallavaram area. And right now we are receiving information about how the health department has put out small clinics here and there, makeshift clinics, to ensure in that 5 streets of ward number 13, if at all anybody shows new symptoms, they are immediately given medication and they are taken care of. And for now, 1 person who from Krompet GS has been shifted to the Rajiv Gandhi Hospital for further treatment, whereas 2 people are also in the private hospitals getting treated for their symptoms. And we are also assured from the health department that an investigation is also happening, and FIR has been registered, because they are clearly saying that the water lorries, private tanker lorries, come into the area to provide drinking water to the people who are living there, and there could be a contamination from these lorries is also suspected. Therefore, investigation is happening, and we will get to know more details on this matter as to how it happened, from where the water was brought, etc. And that will happen only after the investigation report is filed.